Hey, fanatics, welcome. It's your girl Mel. I hope you guys are doing well. Coming up, Spice and Nicki Minaj spent a night together. Also, Spice transformed Nigerian artist Yemi into herself. So, Spice has been showing Nicki Minaj a lot of love lately. This is definitely looking like a Queen's link up with dancehall and hip-hop. Take a look at this clip and let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Bones pan the cocky pan the beat, full up like a plate, fat punani meat.
Me hat no blood clot.
Spice posted that video with caption, "Spent my night with the queen of hip-hop, Nicki Minaj. I love you so much." And Nicki commented, "Literally in the middle of the night, we were both sleepy but chatting non-stop. Best slumber party ever. Love you." Spice was recently featured on Nicki Minaj and Jamaican artiste Skeng's single Likkle Miss Fine remix. Those tracks are currently trending on YouTube, so you guys can head over there and check it out. And in another news, Spice and Nigerian Artiste Yemi did a cultural exchange where Spice transformed Yemi into herself and Yemi did the same for Spice. It was definitely a good look. Spice was giving a Nigerian rich auntie vibe, while Yemi was giving a dancehall body vibe or a dancehall yardie. Yemi seems to be a well-established artist in Nigeria with over 70 million followers on Instagram. Remy and Spice recently collaborated on a track called Bubble It. Check it out on YouTube, guys. I'm sure you guys would love it. You've made it to the end of another video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace. I'm out.